Welcome, developers and tech enthusiasts, to Vibe Coding, an innovative approach transforming how we build software. Coined by Andrej Karpathy in early 2025, Vibe Coding is an AI-assisted method where developers provide high-level instructions to a large language model, or LLM, which then generates the code. This intuitive approach aims to accelerate development and make app building more accessible, even for those with limited programming experience. Vibe coding involves using natural language prompts to instruct AI agents to write code, moving beyond traditional line-by-line programming. Developers describe desired functionality conversationally, iterating interactively with the AI, allowing them to focus on architecture and problem-solving. This method relies on a developer's ability to recognize patterns, make contextual decisions, and quickly prototype, often accepting code without fully understanding every detail. One significant advantage is rapid prototyping, enabling quick creation of beta versions for new product or feature ideas. LLMs automate boilerplate and low-level code production, leading to faster development and launches as AI generates code in seconds or minutes. Vibe coding also enhances accessibility, lowering the barrier to entry for new creators and allowing non-technical individuals to contribute to software development. By automating routine tasks, it fosters innovation, allowing developers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. Furthermore, AI can enforce style guidelines and best practices, leading to improved code consistency across teams. However, Vibe coding isn't without its challenges. One major concern is security vulnerabilities. AI-generated code may introduce flaws like malicious code, SQL injection, or improper authentication if not carefully reviewed. Another drawback is the potential for a lack of maintainability and scalability, as inconsistent structure or minimal comments can lead to technical debt. Debugging and troubleshooting AI-generated code can also be difficult, especially for developers who didn't write it themselves. AI may struggle with custom logic and integration, potentially requiring developers to rewrite parts of the code and sometimes even over-engineer solutions. There's also a risk of developers losing fundamental knowledge due to over-reliance on AI, and inconsistent coding styles can hinder team coordination. To mitigate these risks, thorough review and testing of AI-generated code are crucial. Implementing robust security best practices and maintaining clear documentation and coding standards are also essential. Ultimately, AI should augment, not replace, human expertise, with developers focusing on understanding the underlying logic and architecture. Vibe coding shares similarities with intuitive programming, which emphasizes comprehension and usability, making programming accessible to more people. It also aligns with the concept of a flow state, a mental state of deep focus and immersion where developers are highly productive and creative. By automating repetitive tasks, Vibe coding can potentially facilitate this flow state, allowing developers to concentrate on higher-level problem solving. Vibe coding is still in its early stages, but it holds immense potential to transform software development. As AI technology continues to evolve, Vibe coding may become even more sophisticated and capable. The key will be finding the right balance between AI assistance and human expertise, leveraging AI to augment developers' abilities. This ensures we maintain code quality, security, and maintainability in this exciting new era of programming. Thank you for joining us to explore the fascinating world of Vibe coding. Stay curious and keep innovating.